male sable, and we managed to get 3 bi-blacks. Now, possible this one could be sable, but I don't know, because she's very dark like black, but she's got almost a little, this is actually, yeah, that's a little girl. So we got 3 girls and 1 boy. Yeah, so this is our little boy right here. I'm almost positive. Let's double check. Yep, that's our little boy. Little girl. Little girl. Look at that face. And then our little girl. She's a little girl. Our only sable. Look how beautiful she is. Oh my gosh. She's so beautiful. Look at that. I find it quite interesting because Dixie Rose and Bo had 3 sables. 3 sable and whites last litter, and 1 tri. Because Bo is tri-color and Dixie Rose is sable white. So with that being said, we probably should have gotten the same this time. But no, we had bi-blacks. So guess what that means? It means that Bo and Dixie Rose must both be carrying that recessive gene to be able to produce bi-black babies, because otherwise it doesn't work that way. I'm trying to decide if she's sable or not. It's hard to tell right now when they're this little, but she looks a little brown possibly, but when she's next to the others, she looks that same color as the other 3, or the other 2 black ones, but don't know. We'll wait and see. Oh my God, they're so precious. Let's see if I get that face in there. Oh my gosh, that face. Look at that face. He's just a snoozing. Just a snoozing. Mama's being good, taking care of